got you.
You did, you little bugger.
Hey, you call me that, I'll start team roping.
Hmm?
You call me that, I'll start team
You
roping.
get on it, buddy.
I'll be a team roper. I'll be a team roper.
Okay. I'm good with that. If I had my way, you'd have been that years ago, but you weren't.
Oh.
So.
Hey, Robin. It's about 5 in the afternoon on June 12th, and the garden held its moisture pretty good today. Did you find us, kitty? What's on your head? You just love your pity, huh? Hi, little tree. There's decent moisture under there, but we need a lot more. Never promised you a rose garden, but here one is. And some frickin' spurge. Clouds. I just wanted to show your cute outfit. There you go. You told me feather vest. That's a jean jacket.
You stinker.
You got them.
I got him.
Yeah.
Cheerful.
Those are from Rilla?
Yeah, Rilla. That was my
Oh,
Christmas gift from Rilla. And Robin sitting up there impersonating.
Yeah. Robin almost got charged with impersonating a
I almost
gopher.
ran over him. Because I like the way Featherlight sets it up. They're
Yeah.
absolutely quiet.
Yeah.
That thing runs like a damn tin can.
Yeah.
But as long as you don't ride in it, you never know. So it's,
Wait,
what?
tell me that again.
I said, I feel like I smell good.
Yeah.
And you said, huh?
Yeah.
And I said, well, I smell
Look.
something good and I think it's me.
Ah, well, there you go. So are we actually going to get a coffee this time, or are we driving by?
Would you like a coffee?
I don't know. Do you? I'm going to split a little one.
We can share a small coffee.
We should share a small coffee for Grandpa's
Okay.
birthday.
Dig out $1.05 out of there.
Okay. Oh. There's more white tents.
Okay. And a cheap date.
Me too.
Cheaper even. Yeah, we'll split it. That's really.
Just a small coffee?
Yes, please.
So it's $1.05. Thank you. Have a
Oh,
great
thank
night.
you. I'm wondering how many they've sprayed.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm kind of worried about the bees out here.
Oh, shit.
The native bees did.
At least down in our area, close to Merrily, had lots of bees.
I didn't know we were going in anywhere.
I can't smell you.
You smell good.
I do.
You even feel that
So
way.
you get,
Did you find some nice ones?
this is dianthus. This is the stuff that smells in the evening. Smell it. It's lovely.
You find another one? Dianthus.
Yeah, and they smell great.
Yeah.
They're wet.
Mm.
I actually find it hilarious.
Poodle.
Booty boodle.
Poodle.
That's too funny. Beautiful. My goodness, that's lovely.
Yeah. Oh, poodle.
Booty boodle.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
where I got the tree rug.
Yeah. Gazebo.
Gazebo.
Cat taking a nefarious poop.
He's deciding whose flowers to poop on.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah. It's a beautiful golf course.
It's stunning. We should just rent a car to drive.
Yeah. Well, it's Grandpa Ed's 111th birthday. Traditionally Farmer's Day. June 12th. He was born, what, 1914?
It was indeed.
Tell me a story about him.
He was born in the original homestead cabin,
Yeah.
and when they built the big 3-story house, they had carpenters up from Minnesota, Barkley and Elliott, came to build the house.
Yeah.
And Dad was a little bugger, and he was always in the way, and he was looking up, and he got plaster in his eye.
Yeah.
And the plaster has lye in it,
Mm.
which is pretty caustic. So Granny cleaned him out as best she could with water, and then she licked his eye clean and saved his eye.
Huh. Wow. Homestead life, eh?
Homestead life.
That's barely 100 years ago.
Yeah, barely. He was 3 at the time.
Yeah.
108 years ago. My God, my dear Granny. Horses out in the field.
Yeah. I noticed you're drinking my coffee.
It's my coffee. Oh, they're renovating the Deuce house. Look at that. Half of it's out on the lawn. Good for them.
Wow, awesome. What a beautiful little creek, eh?
It's stunning.
Yeah.
I mean, this part of the world is unbelievably beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
We have apex predators, but we don't have snakes.
We have the prettiest mountains.
We're buggered up with coffee. We better be really buggered up. He's running.
Oh, he's running. What did he do?
He's guilty. What a kitty. He looks like he feels. I love my fairy garden.
Yeah. Me
Love it.
too.
Love it. Love it.
Ooh, that wind's picking up.
Chilly.
Yeah.
A little chilly.
Did you get the shovel?
What the heck is here? Looks like I got a gopher in my damn garden.
We have a gopher in here.
Oh, I don't know what it is. Maybe it's a snake.
Is that
There's a hole.
There's a frickin' gopher in our planter?
Could there be?
I don't know.
What's that?
No idea.
What's that about?
You trying to tell us what it is, kitty? Right there.
Could be some lettuce, but ouch.
Do you want me to hold the dianthus? Here, I'll hold the flower.
Well, I want you to hold my hair out of the thing that I'm catching it in.
Oh, I got you.
Huh? Should be close to enough of a hole.
Nice.
Kitten! 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 What are you doing? Kitten? Hey, I don't know if that's deep enough or not. Might not be. What do you think? Should I dig it deeper?
I would just push the dirt up around it.
I might dig it a little bit deeper.
Kitty! Kitty, little kitty.
And I don't want to disturb the pot plant. There. That's better.
Nice job.
That's better. All tucked around there. Nice. Grab some lettuce. We got lots of lettuce. There. Oh, so pretty. So pretty.
Beautiful.
You can save these for Mary Lee if she wants some of those to put around her stuff.
Oh, so that's
Dianthus.
the dianthus on Grandpa's 100th birthday. produces kitty's pity. Oh, you saw it, Zeus. Why? Another one. Cool. Good boy, Zeus. You found it. Clouds. White spot. Cool breeze. Evening shower, God. You gotta make it muddy up at Klaus's too. How much?
Eater. What you doing, Zeus?
Big drops, eh?
You'll get wet.
Big drops. Thanks, God. Thunder. Might get muddy at Klaus's. It's actually pounding on, isn't it? Freaking shocker.